Alrighty, so this is our equation fx equals 2x minus 6. So first, I'm going to draw the graph so we're going to make the original graph. So since this is negative 6, we're going to put a point right here. We're going to put that as negative 6. And then we're going to make another one right here for negative 3 and then negative 1. So it'll be just right in the middle for that point right here. And then we'll make a positive 1 and positive 3, make another point right here. And then this will be our starting graph before the inverse happens. So first, we see that there's a multiplication right here for the 2x. And then since there's a negative 6, there's going to be an addition problem. And then since this is 2x, since it's a multiplication right here, there's going to be a division problem. So since this x is multiplying by this 2, we're going to put the 2 on the bottom of this, and then we're going to be divided by something. So since this is x minus 6, it's going to be flipped, so it's going to be x plus 6 divided by 2. So this is going to be the inverse right here, and then we're going to graph this inverse now. So this is going to start at negative 6 over here. Negative 6, and then it is going to go through fudge. It's going to go through 2 and 1, so it's going to be about right here, and then it's going to look like this. Alrighty, so that's the inverse of this one. Alright, now we are moving on to this problem. So first we're going to draw the graph right away, the original graph. So this is going to be, since this is negative 6, we're going to put another point right here for negative 6. And then this is going to be a point right here for 2. And then 2, and then 4. And then it's going to be right here. So this line right here, it's going to go through that, just like that. And this point right here is going to be 3, positive 3 right there. So we're going to find the inverse of this. So since this is an exponent to this, there's going to be some type of square root. And then since this is multiplying by this, since 3 is getting multiplied, it's going to be a division problem. So it's going to be 3 down here, and then x minus 6, that's a subtraction problem. So then it's going to be x plus 6, and then this is the inverse problem right here. Square root of x plus 6 divided by 3. And then for the inverse of this now, it's going to start at negative 6 again over here, negative 6. And then it is going to go through 2, right here, positive 2. So it's going to be like this. And then these two will collide right here at 6, 6. All right.